Hello, everybody. Welcome to a crazy episode of Jelly Bean Kittens. We're playing Follow the Laser, and it seemed to be working. Oh, nope. I hope y'all having a good holiday. Nah, you're not getting this. Nope. Like and subscribe, everybody. If y'all like this ridiculous video of, I didn't think the laser thing works, but it literally works. This is strange, and it prevents me from having to buy random tools. Nope. Like and subscribe, everybody. Like and subscribe. This is so funny.